My name is Lou Harris. I'm 91 years old. I did my national service from the age of 21. At that time I lived in Kidderminster, but later years I moved to Tripolitania. All the photos you see in this video was taken on my 1930s Kodak Brownie camera. I took this camera with me when I went to Tripoli. In this photo, our tent was on the side of the driveway to the officers' mess, which we named our tent the Cockwell Inn, which we were told to take the name down as their wives were visiting the mess at different times. In this photo, I'm wearing a very light blue silk material shirt, which I took with me when I went there. That was the only civilian clothes I had all the time I was there. This photograph I was sat on the barrier outside the guard room. This also is the guard room with me on guard, guard commander of the particular night. In this photo I'm just posing for my photo. This photo shows me when on my first days in Tripoli. We were stationed at Gurji barracks before we went into the tents, and I was about to go swimming for the day. In this photograph, I'm photoed in vehicle, German vehicle, which was used for making of the black tent. Another photograph of me on one of the tanks in the workshop. This is me in the driving compartment of the tank, and Jack Biggs is stood by the side of the tank. Me again against one of the Bedford lorries. Me again alongside the half track in the workshop. A group here, I don't know them all, but Ken Joyce, and I think it was Corporal Nagel, but I'm not sure, and myself on the right hand bottom. Again, Jack Biggs, John Hodgson, and myself. The guy on the left, I can't remember his name. This is when we were getting ready for motorcycles in Malta. We were across the Sahara, me with the lieutenant. I was riding the bike, of course, he was driving the Land Rover, and we were just out testing. We went to Malta. We'd been there a few days, and we were fetched back for the trouble in Egypt, Suez Canal problem. So I can see that with one of the Arab local people who works in the workshop is Jock Grant, but I'm not entirely sure, but I'm pretty sure that it is him. That is a funny photo of me and a good friend behind, John Hodgson. That is a time when we, a group of us, hired a car. I can't remember where we were going, where we went, but you can see we had a blowout. John Hodgson and me at the beach close to the camp. Jack Biggs on the gun of a tank. That's me outside my tent with my very tidy bed in the corner of the tent. The four men in my tent, including myself, was Ken Joyce from Grantham, John Hodgson from Manchester, Jack Biggs from Birmingham. I did my national service from 1954 to 56, 55 to 56. I was in Tripolitania. I always thought that I was at 4 medium workshop as I remember it, but every photograph I've got shows it's 5 medium workshop.